አሁን ደግሞ ሌቭል 4 ቲዮሪ ኤግዛሚኔሽን ይዘን መተናል። አይሲቲ የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ the command used to access active directory installation wizard ይህንን ሌቭል 3 ፕራክቲካል ላይ እንሰራዋለን። አሁን ሌላ ቪዲዮ ላይ ዲሲ ፕሮሞ ላይ ነው አክቲቭ ዳይሬክተሪ ኢንስታሌሽን ዊዛርድ ነው የምናገኘው ማለት ነው። A system administrator wants to prevent users from starting or stopping a specific service on a domain controller. The tools that can be used to do this A. Active Directory users and controllers. B. Domain security policy. C. Local system policy. D. Domain controller security policy. No, መልሱ B ነው። Domain security policy ነው። ሶስተኛው ጥያቄ while gathering data to determine the organization business requirement you might take records of the organization like annual reports and organizational policies. ይሄ ማለት ኦልሬዲ የነበረውን ዳታ መጠቀም ነው። ያ ኦልሬዲ የነበረ ዳታ ደግሞ ኢንዳይሬክትሊ ላይክ ቀጥታ ያላገኘነው ዳታ ከሆነ ሴኮንደሪ ሪሶርስ ነው የሚሆነው ማለት በመጽሐፍ በሪፖርት በዳታ የምናገኘው ሪሶርስ ማለት ነው። አራተኛው the main reason for implementing network for an organization is A. to reduce security risk. B. to share resources. C. to decrease company cost. D. to exchange information. The main reason actually the B ይሆናል ግን the main reason information exchange ለማድረግ ነው ለመቀባበል ነው። አምስተኛው ጥያቄ a network consists of 5 computers attached to a hub or switch. There is a break in one computer network cable. How will this break affect the network? ከአንድ ስዊች ወይ ብሬክ ስዊች ኦር ሀብ ጋር ኮኔክትድ ከሆኑ ስታር ቶፖሎጂ ነው ማለት ነው። ለዛ የአንዱ ኮምፒውተር መቋረጥ ኦር ብሬክ ማንኛውንም ኮምፒውተር አፌክት አያደርግም። እራሱ የተቋረጠው ኮምፒውተር ፋንክሽን ማድረግ ያቆማል። ሌላውን ኮምፒውተር አፌክት ስለማድረግ መልሱ only the computer attached to the faulty cable will be unable to access the network ይላል ማለት ነው። ስድስተኛው ጥያቄ which of the following is used to replace an existing device driver in Windows? A. the install or uninstall tab or add remove program utility. B. Windows components tab add or remove program utility. C. device manager. D. hardware configuration manager. መልሱ device manager ነው። ሰባተኛው ጥያቄ when configuring a computer for a network access the computer name must be unique. B. match the names of other computers on the network. C. match the computer's IP address. D. be entered only if you are using a NAT PEUI protocol. ኮምፒውተር ኔማችን ዩኒክ መሆን አለበት ኮንፊገር እያደረገን ኔትወርክ አክሰስ እንትን በምንበት ሰዓት ማለት ነው። ስምንተኛው ጥያቄ where is hub specified in OSI ሞዴል ነው። hub specified የሆነው ፊዚካል ሌየር ነው ኦር የመጀመሪያው OSI ሞዴል ሌየር 1 ማለት ነው ፊዚካል ሌየር ነው። ዘጠነኛው ጥያቄ with respect to a network interface card the term 10/100 refers to A. protocol speed. B. a fiber speed. C. megabytes per second. D. minimum and maximum server speed. A. protocol speed ነው። አስረኛው ጥያቄ which of the following is the most common type of cable used in bus networks? CAT5, STP, coaxial, fiber optic. coaxial or C ነው መልሱ ማለት ነው። 11ኛው ጥያቄ your company has LAN in its downtown office and has now set up a LAN in the manufacturing plant in another city. The best device required to enable everyone to share data between two LANs is router, hub, modem, or switch. The answer is A, router. Assorting the TCP or IP protocol used for transferring electronic mail messages is A, FTP, B, RPC, C, SMTP, D, SNMP. A, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. No? You want to implement a mechanism that automates the IP configuration in the company network. The protocol that helps you to accomplish this is DHCP, DNS, SMTP, STP. The answer is DHCP, Dynamics Host Configuration Protocol. No IP configuration and automate የሚያደርግልን number 14, the research and development department at your office has been experiment with different technologies to improve the performance of the network. One group has examining the use of broadband network versus baseband network. The correct statement about broadband and baseband. Broadband networks carry several channels on single cable, whereas baseband networks several cables carry